Hey everyone! Ever wonder how you can buy Bitcoin with just cash? Well, Bitcoin ATMs make it super easy, but there's a catch. Let's dive in. A Bitcoin ATM is like your typical bank ATM, but for Bitcoin. You can buy or sell Bitcoin by using cash or a debit card. It's that simple. Just find a machine, insert your cash, scan your wallet's QR code, and bam, you've got Bitcoin. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the catch: fees. Bitcoin ATMs charge high fees, sometimes up to 20% per transaction. That's way more than online exchanges, which usually take around 1 to 4%. So, while Bitcoin ATMs are easy to use, that convenience comes at a steep price. You'll find these machines in places like gas stations or shopping malls, and they're great if you want to buy Bitcoin quickly with cash. But keep in mind, it's a lot cheaper to use an online exchange like SuperEx. So, should you use a Bitcoin ATM? If you need quick access and don't mind the fees, go for it. Otherwise, stick with online options for better rates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips.